Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to check the serial number of Insta360 1x2. Let's have a look. Method 1. First, turn on your Insta360 1x2. To turn on Insta360 1x2, press power button. When your Insta360 1x2 turned on, tap once on touch screen, then swipe down from the top of the touch screen, then swipe left to get more options. Tap settings gear icon. Scroll down and tap camera info. Under camera info you will see camera name. After camera name you will find the serial number of Insta360 1x2. So from here you can easily find out the serial number of Insta360 1x2. Method 2. You can easily check the serial number of your Insta360 1x2 using Insta360 app. First, turn on your Insta360 1x2. Press power button to turn on your Insta360 1x2. When your Insta360 1x2 turned on, open Insta360 app on your phone. Tap camera icon to connect. When your device connected, tap settings on bottom right. Then tap camera information. Here under camera information you will see serial number of your Insta360 1x2. Method 3. If you still have your device original package, find the serial number on the barcode. So from the back of your Insta360 1x2 original box, you will find the serial number. So these are the steps to check the serial number of Insta360 1x2. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.